Well, hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa. It is so nice to meet you. I hope that you stay and you subscribe to my channel. If you are not new here, hi, welcome back. I'm so glad to be planning with you today. So today we are using a kit from Dash of Sun Designs. It is called Snowflakes. It is in her old planning style. She released this in the winter before Christmas, before she revamped. So if you saw my last haul, then you would have seen the new one, my last two hauls actually. You would have seen her new kit revamp. And if you haven't, I highly recommend you go watch them because they're hauls, and who doesn't like a good haul? I love watching hauls. But yeah, laying down my washi here. It's super cute. By the way, if you are new here, I do PR for a couple of shops. All my PR codes will be down below. Why not use it? You get like 10 or 15% off your order, which is fantastic. I do PR for Dash of Sun Designs. I am on her spring and summer PR team again, so I'm very excited for that. My code is Alyssa10 for 10% off your entire order. For my Canadian followers, she is a Canadian shop, which is amazing, and Chelsea is incredibly sweet. So yeah, just laid down my date covers, and I'm getting set to lay down my sidebar. Some days I do my sidebar first, some days I come back to it, and then some days it's the last thing I do. I am all over the place when I plan. If you are a longtime follower, long time, it's only been since October, you know that I have really no rhyme or reason to how I plan. To say that I let the kit kind of like guide me is a very, very honest way of putting it. I kind of just do what I'm feeling in that moment. Sometimes the sidebar is really important and I really want to lay it down. Sometimes it's just like, meh, I can put it down later. It's not that it's just a meh sidebar. It's just like I'm feeling like I'm being pulled somewhere else. So that's okay. I do fill it out. I fill it out on the end. You're going to see a hydrate and a vitamin sticker. They are my favorite. I use them in pretty much almost every spread. They're from Simply Beautiful Plans, and they're essential to all of my spreads. I always track my vitamins and hydrate. I do it more so in my functional planner now, but I do still like to have it in here because it is something that is really important to me. I take my vitamins every morning, and I drink my 2.2 liters of water, sometimes 3 to 4, depending on the day I'm having, every single day. So yeah, I did notice that I was wanting to drink more now that I'm working. I think it's because the environment I'm in is so warm, kind of dry, and I'm moving around a ton. I hit my steps usually before I finish work. Joy of being a rec-aide. So yeah, rec-aide in gerontology specifically. So yeah. All right. So Monday was a pretty chill day. It's been a pretty chill week. We are still in lockdown here in Mississauga, Peel, Toronto area. So I'm really not going anywhere. I'm just kind of seeing my one friend, my planner bestie, once a week, and going to work and doing my online school, and then ordering a lot of stuff. I need to stop that. But yeah, so Monday I worked 9 to 3. I'm just popping down my date dots. I always forget, and then I get these messages of, you always forget your date dots. And it's not because I don't have them. I have a copious amount of date dots. I just ordered a whole bunch recently too from Pretty Pinko. I just always forget. It's not, I guess because I back plan and I'm not forward planning, the dates aren't as important to me. But yeah, so that little snowflake mandala that you're seeing there is from Simply Beautiful Plants. I popped down a script from Letters to Apollo just to mark off my work. I worked 9 to 3. I had a morning kind of like a morning shift, morning day. And then I'm laying down this little lace divider from the Pretty Pinko. And I'm just about to mark off that I got my BoxyCharm. So I do subscribe to BoxyCharm every month. I wasn't for a while. If you are on my Instagram, then you know how much of an issue I had with them around Christmas time and before Christmas and even after Christmas. So I had unsubscribed and I resubscribed because their pop-up sales are the best if you're ever looking to like stock up on your favorites, especially if you shop high-end, or not high-end, but like Kate Somerville, a lot of the more expensive cleansers and stuff for all your fun makeup and face stuff, then it's good. Like I stocked up on quite a bit of my favorites, and it's like 70-80% off. It's crazy. So I did a big BoxyCharm order, and it arrived. I actually made 3, but we're not gonna talk about that. I'm just marking off my plan with me. That little play sticker, little YouTube play sticker, is from the Pretty Pinko from her little bow icon collection. And then that girl with the Amazon box is from Paper Bits Co. So Simply Beautiful Plans, Alyssa will get you 15% off your entire order. And yeah, and you'll get my freebie as well. Same with Dash of Sun Designs. And then from Paper Bits Co., again, Alyssa 15 will get you 15% off your entire order, plus my freebie. And then from Pretty Pinko, Alyssa 15 gets you 15% off your entire order. So yeah, not bad. Love a good percentage off. So they're yours, free to use. Definitely use them. I did get, I think I already mentioned this, I can't remember. I did get brought back on the Spring and Summer Pure team for Dash of Sun. So my code is still active. Woo woo. I love being on Chelsea's team. She's so sweet. All right. So I have the online class stickers from Letters to Apollo. That laptop girl is from Panda Bird Designs. And then what else am I using? Let's see. Can you tell I'm tired? I'm trying not to yawn. I'm so tired when I'm doing this voiceover, but I want to have it done and out so I don't panic at the end of the week, because I am working full time this week. So, it's a lot. Yeah. Oh, by the way, what was I going to say? Oh, I'm about to pop down a wash mask script. A lot of people ask where I get that from. It's from Murdoch Talks. I usually put it in my videos whatever I use usually goes in videos. If I've ever forgotten, I'm really sorry. But the wash mask script is from Murdoch Talks, and you'll see it in just a second. I'm just laying down my little corner box for it. And then the little Jasenia Rose Colored Days scribbles are under it as well. So yeah, Tuesday was just a day of school. I did do a little bit of a workout, and then I went out. Yana and I just had a girls' night. So I see my planner bestie once a week. She is my Tuesday night. It's so fun. It's good. We were talking the other day about how, like, if you go down our monthlies, every Tuesday is like with Alyssa or with Yana, and I think it's so funny. But yeah, she's literally like one of my best friends, and I don't know, I feel like this whole lockdown has brought us, we live really close to each other, and we are in each other's bubble, and has brought us super close together. So it's been really nice to have a like that one person in my bubble that doesn't reach so many other people. So it's been wonderful. So Yana, if you're watching this, because I know you say you watch my videos, thanks for being a really good friend. I really enjoy hanging out with you. All right, so I'm just marking that off. On the Starbucks cup is from Wild Summer Designs, and then I use a little shopping bag there because we grabbed some food and stuff. I got that from Art Box Stickers. Again, I don't think I showed this one yet. So that yoga girl that you saw beside workout is from Fox and Pip. If you saw my haul on Tuesday, my haul on Tuesday, you would have seen me haul that order. It's so cute. I love it. And then I'm about to pop down that little YouTube bow icon from Pretty Pinko just to mark off that my video went live that day. So that would have been my flip through, my functional planner flip through. So if you have not seen that, highly recommend that you look at it. It's growing and it's evolving and it's always changing. So it's already changing because I got my February subscription box. Yeah. I've already got I got inserts for it. I'm like, oh, I want to put these in. So I've got those that I'm going to put in eventually. I'm going to rework it a little bit. I will do, I think at the 6-month mark. So I think around May or June, I'll do another flip through, and if anything's changed, I'll show you. Someone asked if I would ever change the color, because I do change my color seasonally for my A5 wide. I'm about ready to move out of this A5 wide, the Scribble Prince Co. Aura Style collab one in Alys. I'm moving out of that one probably in about 2 weeks, but first I've been asked to do a flip through of it because I don't think I did one. So I will do a flip through of it before I move out of it, and then I'm going to move into my first blush, and I actually already have all of the stuff for it from Tule and Twine. So I really only use it for memory planning, but I do put stuff in there as well, mostly just dashboards. But yeah, so I'm excited for that, and I'm going to pull out my first couple months of these guys here. Actually might leave it in this planner. My first couple of months of 2020 one I might leave in this planner, just so I can have them somewhere safe. But we'll see. I'll let you know how that works out. Wednesday, I had class, and I had a call with my wedding planner. We actually solidified it's done. The new date is there. We're waiting on our final, like, yes, everything's been moved. And then we also got our change the date. So I'm very excited for that. But yeah, so I used a mandala from Dashes and Designs, the Letters to Apollo workout sticker, the Fox and Pip yoga girl because I did work out that night, and then a little Miss and Meow, that little KitchenAid that you saw was from Miss and Meow in the linen color set and in silver foil, just because I like to bake my one person cookies. If you're looking for like a single batch cookies that are fairly, actually pretty relatively healthy, that are like refined, sugar free and stuff like that, Veggiekins has the Levain Levain Bakery kind of gluten-free vegan cookie, and it's like a one-person cookie, and it's that way I don't do a whole batch and eat the whole batch. I just make like one cookie and then turn it into two. So because I feel like even the two small cookies are very substantial, even the one is just substantial. So yeah, that's what I did that night. Thursday, I'm just laying down my full boxes here, writing in kind of the important things, so like things that I know I had work, and then I was trying to remember what I did around it. This week I forgot to write down what I did. As you can see, I'm not really working off of a post-it note like I normally am. What I do is I have 2 post-it notes, and I put them on the blank pages, and I write in everything on the post-it note like every day. So these mandalas are from Honey Ink. They're very cute. I love them. I have them in every foil. They're so cute. And let's see, at the bottom on Friday, what did I do? Friday during the day, I went out with my mom. I had accumulated a ton of returns that I needed to just get refunded. I bought things. I was like, this is gonna look so cute. And I put it on. I was like, Alyssa, you're 5'11". Most things that you like aren't that cute when you're my height. And I'm like, oh, I feel like I shop for a shorter body a lot of the time. It's very common for me. But I am very tall, so I had to return quite a few pairs of pants. A lot of the surrounding areas are open, so we kind of made a little game plan, parked the closest to where all of the stores are, literally ran in, returned everything, and ran out. Like, I'm not there to have this shopping trip. I'll go like here and there to like pick up things with whatever, but I'm like, to go into a mall and like shop all day, I cannot. It makes me so incredibly nervous, and people are so unsafe still, and I'm not ready for it. I don't have my second vaccine. It's just, I'm not putting myself or anyone at risk, even though I do get tested. A lot of people are like, oh, you get tested twice a week, because I do for work. It doesn't matter. I need to keep safe, and I need to make sure that I'm being safe for everyone around me. I have some vulnerable people in my life, especially at work, and especially my like immediate circle. So like my immediate family. So it just gotta be safe, right? So yeah. Let's see. So Thursday, I had my spelling bees in the morning. Those little bears are from Paper Bits Co. Again, I use that Rose Colored Days to just send you a printable collab squiggles. My work, I worked 1 to 5, so my work stickers from Letters to Apollo. I worked out again, so I had my yoga sticker from Fox and Pit. My workout sticker is from Letters to Apollo. Again, that really pretty lace. I had the mini mandala from Honey Inked. I also had a snowflake little flag from Pretty Pinko, and then that little edit sticker at the bottom is from Crafts by Thai. Super excited. I made it in the order with Crafts by Thai, so I'm going to have some more things to show you from there. I think I ordered 4 new icon sets in all the different, all 3 medals. So I'm excited for them. All right. So Friday I did that with my mom, and then I had a faux dinner. There's a place here that does a gluten-free vegan faux, which is actually very easy to do. They just don't put soy sauce in it, and they use vegan broth. Very easy. So I had that Friday night, which is nice because it's light. I love that. I also wasn't feeling the best that day. I think I just had a smoothie that day, and my stomach was off. So the faux really, it was nice and light. But yeah, so Saturday, Sunday, I worked 9 to 5 both days, which means I had early mornings. Those little alarm clocks are from Pretty Pinko. And then Saturday was a rough day for me. As you can see, I have a sticker that says F today. Trying not to be rude. I think the one thing with like where I work or the field that I'm in is, you know that you're going to lose a lot of your patients and residents. I feel like it's finally like it's hitting me, because it's obviously I'm new to the job, so it's hard. So it was just a really rough day for me on Saturday. Yeah, the little lace again is from Pretty Pink Co. And then I used a little Coffee Monsters Co. because I had Eva with my family, and then I did my voiceover script my voiceover for my video, and I used the sticker from Crafts by Thought, and then again that little snowflake mandala from Dash of Sun. So I am just filling out my sidebar really quickly. I'm going to leave you here with some music. I hope you have an absolutely amazing week. I will see you on Tuesday, hopefully, for another video. So have a good one. Stay safe, guys. Wash your hands, and I will see you so soon. Have a good one. Bye.